Hello small mobile fans, happy day to you all. Tecno is rebranding the pouvoir series, which focused on battery power, and it is now changing to a more capable series called Pova, which focuses on giant battery and fast processor capability. This is a good step forward because the new Tecno Pova is powered by the Helio G80 gaming processor and a large 6000 mAh battery size with fast 18 watts charging speed. This is a capable smartphone that will meet the needs of lots of users in its price range. It is being sold for $160 or 11,499 rupees or 72,000 naira, which is a good price, especially when you consider the large 6GB RAM with large 128GB storage and the big 6.8 inches display. Although the lower HD Plus screen resolution and the micro USB port might be a deal breaker, but I can't really complain at this price. Also, the camera size is just like the pouvoir 4 with a 13MP quad rear camera setup and an 8MP selfie shooter. The Tecno Pova is kind of an upgrade and downgrade from the pouvoir 4 Pro because the display size is slightly reduced, but the punch hole notch upgrade makes it better. The Helio G80 gives a 200% performance upgrade, which throws the pouvoir 4 Pro into the waters. Also, the Helio G80 will help make the cameras of the Tecno Pova better thanks to the better image signal processor. Overall, the Tecno Pova is a good affordable smartphone and the design is quite unique, especially the dazzle black color. Are you excited about this Tecno Pova gaming smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on for my unboxing and full review video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, remain humble and stay safe. Bye.